Hey guys, welcome to Shawn's Playhouse channel. Say hey, Shawn. Say hey. Hey guys, so today Shawn's going to be making a sugar cookie cake with it has spiders on it. So ooh. Alright, and Shawn, today what we need is a cookie sheet pan. We also need a half cup of butter, which we have. We need one package of this, which is the cookie mix, and we need one egg. Do we have everything we need with the butter? Yes? Yeah, Shawn has the butter that we need. And we put the egg inside here. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get into Shawn's video. Alright guys, so it says that this actually makes one cookie cake. And I bought these little cookie kits from Walmart. They have a lot of them. So that's a good thing. I think we're going to do all of these here. We did the other one. You guys love that one. So we have another one here. So let's get started. Alright, open up the box, Shawn. Shawn's opening up the box. Uh-oh. Oh, scissors. Oh. You need the scissors. Here, let me see. Alright, let's show them what it all comes with. So we have these. It comes with these. Here, baby. Here you go. It also comes with, ooh, gummy spiders.
I want gummy spiders.
It goes on the cake. See, we gotta put them on the cake.
I want spiders.
And it comes with white frosting, so Shawn can make the spider web. And we have
the spider gummy.
The cookie mix.
We have no cookie mix.
We got the cookie mix. So Shawn,
no more cookie mix.
Let's pour this in here. Alright, here, pour it in. Good job. Oh, it's chocolate. Mmm.
Dude, that looks chocolate.
Chocolate. Alright. You can't eat that. Alright, we have one egg. Shawn, go ahead, crack the egg. Let's see how you... Yep, good job. Alright, that's okay, put that in here. Alright, let's just make sure there's no shells in there. And there is.
I want my hands.
Your hands, okay. Here we go.
Just put in more water. Let's do the fake water.
Here you go. You can wipe your hands. Alright. So I just want to make sure Shawn didn't get any shells in here. I don't want him to eat any shells. Shawn, look, it's turning all kind of colors. Look at that.
Wow.
That's cool.
Dude, the turtles are orange.
Alright, so
colors.
and we need the butter. Okay. Shawn, we have to put the butter.
Where's the...
And it calls for a half cup of butter. Alright. And let's see if we can get that in there.
Let's cut this gummy bear. We need a gummy scissors? You mean a scissors, Mom? You mean scissors?
Alright, so the really cool thing is, it's actually turning a few different colors in there. So let me just mix this up and let's see what we have going on.
Do you give me scissors?
No, that goes, you can't eat that because we have to put it on the, look, we have to put it on the cake. After we make it, then you can eat it, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's make this dough, this cookie dough.
Look at changing all your colors.
Yeah.
What's growing
chocolate. It's turning black. Ooh, it's turning black.
It's turning so little blacky. What? This new color is turning like that color, and this color that.
Look at that.
I'm great.
Ooh.
Gooey.
Gooey. Okay, keep it mixing. Keep mixing. Shawn's gonna keep mixing, guys. Mix it up.
I can't do this stove.
I do believe it's a chocolate cake, chocolate cookie cake.
Oh.
And we already preheated the oven, so you just want to preheat the oven 350. And the next step after Shawn does that, it'll be mix the cookie mix. We did that already. The butter and the egg until the dough forms. Take out the dough out the bowl, roll it out into a ball, and then place it on a cookie sheet. Good job. Good job.
It's still very hard.
Okay, let me see if I can help. Okay.
Oh, Daddy, you're just still a little strong.
Yeah.
Wait.
Alright, guys, so we are still just forming the cookie dough. I believe it may, I'm not sure if we're going to be able to foam this into a
Okay, Mom. We need
ball,
gloves. We need gloves.
Yeah, I'm with Shawn on this one.
Mom.
With the gloves.
So, yeah, we need gloves.
So, let's see. It's just going to be one big glob. Alright, guys. So, Shawn, what do you have here? You have your chocolate cookie circle. Now, this is how it should look. Ours is not a perfect cookie shape, but it is circle. And we went ahead and we put the little chocolate candies on there. So now we're gonna do the spider web.
Oh.
Ooh.
That was crazy.
All right, hold my hand. Let's start. Hold my hand. We're gonna go like this because we're gonna copy this picture here. We're gonna copy that. Okay, let me move you here closer. Okay. So we're going to do, they got a line going down. So let's do a line going down. And then, oh, come on. It's definitely thick. Thicker than how they have it there. Then we go a line this way. The hole is definitely thick. It's a big, oh man.
That's a web. That's a web.
That's a web.
That's an X.
It should have been smaller, but that's how they gave it to us. We gotta, oh, this is not coming out how
That's an X.
how it should.
That's an X.
Yeah.
Mom,
Yeah.
you need to do it. What?
Oh, on the circle. Alright guys, so the thing that I just don't understand, you see how they have it here? The lines are pretty thin. If you can see, I'm not sure if you can see in there, this hole is pretty big. So it's not allowing us to do the holes pretty small. So this is what we have here.
No, you can't make a biggest circle.
Yeah. And this is what we're, oh, you know, maybe we could, I'm not sure guys, but this is Shawn's cake.
You can flip it?
This is Shawn's
You
cake.
can flip it with a pancake?
Yeah, it looks like a pancake, doesn't it? We'll see what we could do here. Do you have any more of that frosting up here? Nope, you just have purple, but that'll work.
That not work.
Purple?
Not gonna work.
It's not gonna work?
This
This
store
one.
the vampires.
Okay, well guys, I just found this here. And the hole is pretty small, so we're gonna just go in with this here. And
No, store the vampires.
hold on, baby.
Still for the
Okay, hold on.
vampires.
And we'll do this. You know, just to kind of fix it up a little bit. And the hole is pretty thin, so saved by the purple icing. Okay. So, and then we'll take. Pay attention, and you're falling. And you gotta pay attention so you won't get hurt.
Okay.
Okay. And okay, that's
What is big?
saved by the icing. All right, now Shawn's gonna add the spiders.
Ooh.
Okay, so like I said, this hole is very big, so the icing comes out like that because the hole is pretty big. They should have made the hole a little smaller, but that's okay. Okay, so we're not professionals. Let's get the scissors. And Shawn has been dying to actually put the spiders on. Here. All right, put the spiders on. Yep, put the spiders on. Ooh, spider.
I like eating spiders.
Do you like eating spiders?
Yeah.
Okay. There we have it, guys. Shawn, show your cookie.
Wow.
All right, guys, there we have it. That is Shawn's cookie cake from the cookie cake kit. And he has these little chocolate pieces here. He's actually eating the spiders. He's eating the spiders, guys. So once again, here's Shawn's cake. There you have it. Alright, guys, thank you for stopping by. Shawn, say bye to your friends.
Bye.
Until next time, stay safe. And he's still eating the spiders. You ate a spider. Ew. Spider.